Welcome! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your page logged in history on the Facebook app using your PC, following the latest updates. If you've ever wondered where your Facebook account is currently active or just want to keep your sessions secure, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Facebook app open on your PC. You'll want to be logged into your main account so you can access your settings easily. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile photo, or your avatar. Give that a click. This will open up a drop-down menu packed with essential shortcuts for your account. From that menu, go ahead and choose Settings and Privacy. You'll see another list of options pop out. Within that, you'll need to click on Settings. This is where you can control nearly every aspect of your Facebook account, from privacy to notifications to security. With the Settings page now in front of you, look along the menu options for something called Activity Log. Click on it. The Activity Log keeps a detailed record of all the interactions and changes made on your account, but we're focusing on your login history right now. Inside the Activity Log, you'll find an option called Where You're Logged In. Click or tap to open it, and you'll see a full list of devices and locations where your Facebook account is currently logged in. This list is incredibly useful. It tells you if your account is accessed on devices you recognize, or if there's something unexpected, so you can log out instantly to protect your account. That's all there is to it. By following these easy steps, you'll always stay on top of where your Facebook account is logged in, giving you better control and peace of mind. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more up-to-date tutorials on the latest features and security tips.